Have you ever seen a product show up in a scene and it actually fits the story instead of ruining it? That's exactly what this new mode does automatically. Introducing the top level of storytelling marketing, Hicksfield has created Sora 2 Pro, which integrates products contextually into scenes. This is perfect for creators, agencies, and brands who want cinematic promo content that doesn't scream ad. Now, the technology behind Sora 2 is phenomenal. Scene logic, lighting, and camera perspective all adjust around the object you want to promote. And it maintains continuity. Your branded item stays consistent across multiple shots. And here's how it works. You go to Sora 2. You pick the template you want to use. Then you upload the product you want to promote. And last but not least, you give it a prompt. You describe the scene you have in mind. Then you choose the Sora 2 model and the duration you want your video to be. Now, you can pick from 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. And once you've set everything up, you just click Generate to create it. Sora offers multiple use cases. Depending on the use case you want, you can categorize and set up the presets. And this is fantastic for lifestyle creators who want to showcase gear in a natural way, agencies producing full campaigns without the need for sets or reshoots, or even e-commerce brands generating cinematic content at scale. And here's an example I made using Sora. I typed in, family guy with kids and wife having a great time and studying from zinra.com education to build financial freedom for his family, promoting this educational service in this 12-second promotional reel. Or let's try another example. Now, I'm going to use Sora 2 for a physical product. I typed in, athlete in the gym working out, drinking his Diet Coke alongside his workout. Diet Coke is the product. Now, for the preset, I'm going to switch things up a bit. I'm going to choose nostalgia. And you can even combine it with multi-scene reasoning to create full brand story arcs. Global unlimited access means you can make as many test versions as you want. And you can click the link in the description below to start using Sora today. Log into Hicksfield, turn on product placement mode, and watch how your brand or favorite product becomes part of the story in seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. And leave any questions you have in the comments, we'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.